welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for my CVS haul video. I hope all is well with everyone and I wish all of us a great week. The first item I picked up is the 40 count hefty trash bag. It's on sale for 20% off, dropping it down to $9.99. I have a $4 CRT for any hefty trash bag and I think most accounts received it. I also have a dollar digital coupon that will take off $5, dropping it down to just $4.99. I used $5 extra care box that adjusted down to $4.99 and I paid just the tax out of pocket. If you need contact lens solution or if you need a filler item, the CVS brand is on the deal of buy one get $4 extra care box. Pick up one, they are priced at $4.99. Pay that and get $4 back, making it just 99 cents. And you can also use percentage of CRT with this product because it's not on sale and it can even be a money maker. The next deal I have will be on Skintimate disposable razor. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you spend $15, you get $5 extra care box back. These are priced at $9.99. The second one will be $5. Both will total $14.99. Which is within the 98% rule. I printed this coupon from coupons.com and we also have a $4 in our app. If you clip the $3 we had in our app, I think it's been a week or two that we've had that. That can also apply if you don't want to use the paper coupon. And if you check Shopmium, we have another $4 in case you only have one. But I will use the paper coupon and the digital coupon. I also have a 3 off 12 Skintimate CRT that will add to this deal. The two coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $3.99 and I'll get $5 extra care box, which will make these two packs free and $1.01 money maker. The next razor deal I'll pick up will be on the Venus and Gillette disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99 and when you buy two, you get $6 extra care box. I'll pick up one of the Venus and I'll pick up one of the Gillette. Both will total $13.98. And we have a $3 for each one that will drop it down to $7.98 and I'll get $6 back, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. I checked out the two razor deals and it worked out very well. All my digital coupons came off and the paper coupon also applied. My 3 off 12 CRT came off as well. I used $10 extra care box, paid just $1.98 out of pocket. And I got back the $6 for doing the Gillette deal and $5 back for the spend $15. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Tresemme hair care. They are part of buy two get $5 extra care box. I'll pick up two of the extra hold hairspray priced at $6.49. Both will total $12.98. I'll use two of the $1.50 coupon I got from Unilever email. All you have to do is sign up and they will randomly email you coupons. With these two coupons, it will drop down to $9.98 and I'll get $5 extra care box back. I will submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each hairspray. That will end up making both just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal will be on Palmolive and Ajax dish soap. They're on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy two, you get $2 extra care box back. I'm going to pick up one Palmolive at $4.99 and I'll pick up one Ajax at $4.19 and that will be the half off because it's lower priced. The total for these two bottles will be $7.09. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Palmolive and we also have a $1 digital coupon for the Ajax. That will drop it down to $5.09 and I'll get $2 back, making both just $3.09 or $1.55 each. Let's go over my receipt and see how it all worked out. My two paper coupons came out and the two digitals are applied. I ended up using $15 extra care box and paid only 6 cents plus tax out of pocket. And I got back the $5 for the hair care and also the $2 for the Palmolive. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each Tresemme hairspray. This concludes my video for today. I know it's a very small haul, but that's all I was able to pick up today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you next time.